Hello, everyone, and thank you so much for joining us at Investing City. Today, we're going to be looking at one of my favorite investing books called One Up on Wall Street. It's a book that looks at simple ways to invest in things that you know. And the author's name is Peter Lynch. He's widely regarded as one of the best investment managers of all time, and he shares his tips and secrets to make you a better investor. And that's what it's all about. And so Peter Lynch absolutely loves stocks. At one point in his portfolio, he had over 1,400 companies. So he really loved research, and he was the real deal. $1 invested in Peter's Magellan Fund would go on to return $27 after just 13 years, or an annual compounded return of 29%. He tells a story, though, about his wife helping him on a particular investment. So she was shopping at the mall and she saw a really popular product called Le Eggs. She took the intel back to Peter and he researched the company who made the product, which was Hanes. And it turned out to be a really profitable investment for him. So this just goes to show that we can look at things that we know. Peter said never to invest in something you can't draw with a crayon, particularly their business model. So think about it from an investor's point of view. If you want to invest in a company like Nike, you can probably draw their business model. They sell shoes and apparel, and so you can probably draw these things with a crayon, seeing that you understand it and it's not too complicated. Peter also talked about investing in companies that are boring or underappreciated because then the market would give you a good deal on them. And so he particularly liked a company called SCI, which sold funeral home equipment and coffins, which not a lot of people would be interested in, so it gave him an advantage. Another way he used to look at if the market was hot or not was when he was at dinner parties. So if he was talking to somebody and they were talking about what they did for work, and the other person said they were a dentist and he said he was a stock picker, then when the market was hot, the dentist would give him stock tips. When the market was cold or not too hot, then the dentist would probably walk away a short while after the conversation started. One thing Peter was particularly known for was his obsession with 10 baggers. A 10 bagger is when a stock increases 10 times in value from when you buy it. So if you invest $100, you'll have $1,000. That's a 10 bagger. Peter absolutely looked for these all the time. He said one way to do that was to water the flowers and not cut them. What that means is when a stock goes up a lot, we shouldn't sell it just because we have profits. We want to keep the company if it's continuing to do well. And so that's about it. The summary of this book is that we should invest in what we know. If you're a doctor, maybe you have a circle of competence in medical devices. If you're a pharmacist, maybe you know a lot of drugs. Or a landscaper, maybe landscaping tools. We have to invest in what we know. And then we'll have a leg up in Wall Street. And that's what it's all about. Consumers with boots on the ground research have an edge over Wall Street and Wall Street analysts because we know the things that are popular. It only takes a little bit of analysis, and then we'll go on to have many, many 10 baggers. Thank you so much for watching, and we really appreciate you. Have a great day.